Hey folks, I'm going to keep this brief, but do you want to make some money? If you want to make some money through this newsletter service, I'm going to give you an opportunity to do just that. Trading opportunities for everybody right now. And it's just, this is the free e-letter. I'm getting this out very broadly. And I'm going to show you my screen. And I'm going to give you the lay of the land right now, which, by the way, I've been doing this a long time. And I actually like to keep things pretty simple, especially when it comes to trading. I'm a swing trader. I'm mostly a long-term, very long-term investor, but I'm a swing trader by specialty. If there is a specialty, day trading doesn't, it's just ridiculous. And I never knew a day trader who made millions of dollars a year, which is mostly what I'm interested in. How about you? So anyway, whether you're a small investor, a big investor, you have a lot of liquidity, or you don't. A lot of people are underwater big time in the mining stocks and in gold miners. I'm telling you right now, if you have cash to put to work, this is also for long-term positioning purposes, but this is your perfect entry point, guys. Look at this. The HUI Gold Bugs Index, okay? This has been down 11 out of 12 days in a row. That's a lot of down days to up days, okay? Even for a volatile asset like gold miners. And we're sitting right on top of the 200-day moving average, which is very strong support, by the way, technically for many people. The MACD is overstretched, ready to turn back up. See how this goes like this? Boom, 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 boom. The RSI, which when you get below 30, you're very, very oversold. We're at 30, okay? So it could go a little bit lower in terms of the RSI and actually scare some more people out a little bit, maybe, but we might have even seen the low already today. In fact, that's my guess. I just put money to work. I actually even took some physical gold and cash that I had elsewhere, put it in my options trading account, and I just went pretty actively crazy. I'm going to give you some options ideas. If you have the ability to buy options, I would lever options. It's one of the few times where I bought things that are expiring as early as April. And that is with the GDXJ and the NUGT 2X leveraged ETF. Now you can just go ahead and buy GDXJ. You can buy the NUGT direction. So this is GDXJ, it's at 34 and change. But what I did is I bought on the GDXJ, I bought out a little bit further. I like to buy time. And my option strategies over time have proven to be very profitable for any of you that have paid attention. I don't recommend them often. I like to buy time. People, I've made so many mistakes with options and with investing. I'm sharing what works. This is going to work, okay? You can participate, not participate. You can be sad, happy. You can be up or you can be down today. I don't care. I'm giving you something that's going to make money. If you are just, down because your portfolio is down, go find some cash, friends. This is an emergency cash finding situation, not just for this trade. Okay, this trade is a bonus on top, but to put money to work right now in gold mining stocks is going to pay off handsomely, very handsomely. And I think we are ending this pullback and we are going to rip. We're going to start ripping higher to new highs on this GDXJ, which is going to go right over here to 50 bucks. That's my target in the short to interim term. And so I bought the GDXJ January 1924, $34 calls, right in the money. So penny for penny, they're going to move. I paid $6. I'll pay a $6 premium to be right there in the money, meaning, I'm basically buying GDXJ, for $6 instead of paying the 34, and I'm going to have dollar for dollar leverage. These can go to zero, but they've got a lot of time for this thing to work. And if it goes any lower at all, I'll buy more, but I'm going to buy, I bought a lot right here. Okay. Not a lot in just the GDXJ, but then I went on to NUGT. You can buy any sort of, strike price and or duration you want. I find that buying time and buying already after in the money calls are the cheapest and the best way to go with the least amount of premium that you pay. NUGT, I have bought the April 2021, April 21st, 2023, $33 calls. So the reason I did the shorter term with the juiced up ETF is because these things aren't meant to hold long term. They continually lose value over time. They're juiced up for a reason, and to stay juiced up, they lose their underlying value. It starts to deteriorate over time. But that's at 32 bucks right now, so 32 and change, as you can see. And I bought the 33 calls. You could buy the 30 calls. You could buy this, I wouldn't speculate with March. You can buy May or June as well, but I don't really hold these juiced up 2x ETF, 3x ETF plays for long. This is meant for a bounce off of the 200-day moving average, a bounce off of the correction bottoms. And look, if GDXJ bounces 10%, this thing will bounce 20%. And so 20% would be approximately, call it $6.50 bucks. $6.50 on paying and at the money right now, $6.50 run, it would be $6 in the money. $3.50 is what you're paying for the option. You'll triple your money on a 10% move, approximately. On a 10% move in GDX, which would be GDXJ, which would be a 20% move in Nugget, approximately. I think I'll dump this one. I'm going in pretty big. I'm going to buy more right now, and I'm staggering a bunch of these. And there's plenty of room for everybody. These are the big ETF plays. These are the, there's no tiny, but I mean, on the stocks, on the individual mining stocks, this is the time to be putting money to work. Buying McGew and mining here. This is probably your last chance to buy under $6 US. I strongly recommend buying more McGew and mining. What else did I do? I actually bought, I'll give you one that that I really like, and I'm down a bunch, and that is the Kinross KGC January 19th, 2024, $4 calls. All right. And 55 cents, I just bought more. Look at this thing. It's been bludgeoned off of here straight down, and it's going to have a significant bounce. This is more oversold than the sector, and I think could bounce more than the sector as well. But I'm down, I'm unrealized on this one because I had bought a little bit earlier, very small. So I was meaning to buy it steadily. Today I'm buying, to go in, and like I'm talking about 75% positioning. And if it goes down, the GDXJ goes down another $2 and surprises me into Monday, I'll put that 25% to work too. And then I'm in fully, but I'm mostly in today, right now. You don't wait around. These are the times to take action right now on this. And, if you can do the calls, you're going to make really good, fast, I think, big returns on percentages. And I'll give you an update on when I'm taking some profits on these. And then you need to join the premium service, because we're going to kill it there as we do over time. And we're going to destroy this next bull market. And, anybody who's serious in this space, you just have to realize, we got into gold for a reason, guys. It's a true store of value. It's basically flat over the last year with crypto and mining stocks and S&P and everything is down considerably. Miners, we've had over a 2-year bear market. It's been really bad. It's historical. You've got to be a buyer now. And one of my messages to my elite members, most recently charging 20 grand a year for my service, and had a waiting list for a long period of time. I've been saying, find money, find cash. Doesn't matter. You have resources, you have assets. I've been pulling emergency funds to buy a lot of the little miners. These things I still love. Giga and Phenom is going to be a massive winner. Vanadium over $10. I mean, that thing could go ballistic actually over the next couple of weeks to by within March. Phenom could go nuts. So make sure you've got what you want there. And other than that, yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. I'm thinking 40,000 in the short term. Everybody's out of it. Are you in it? I've been buying it, the crypto phenom. CryptoPhenom.com is my crypto premium newsletter. I'm going to let you guys know about this one soon. And I priced it the same as the Gold Investment Letter Premium. And we made a lot of money in crypto, and we've got some unbelievable things that I've uncovered in crypto. We've been on this market still to this day. Those of you that have been around have seen me recommending Bitcoin since $500 or lower in 2016, May of 2016, when I recommended it in this e-letter. I would just encourage you right now, though, participate in getting some gold miners on the books and gold mining options. And be active today. Be active today if you agree. If you don't agree and you're looking for good, information and advice, and are willing to take risk in this area, get and some of the juniors I've mentioned, you can buy any of them. Buy any legitimate solvent gold junior mining stocks right now, and you're going to be rewarded in the next 12 months, and probably you're going to be rewarded even quicker. And if you're buying the bigger ones and the liquid ones or the indexes or the ETFs, this is a great swing trade. I look at swing trades as 2 weeks to 2 months. Sometimes it happens in 2 hours. I don't think of it that way, or it happens in 2 days. 2 weeks to 2 months is my usual swing trade duration. This is a perfect setup right now. And I would tell you, let us get long today, and if it goes down a little bit further on Monday, it could happen, but I wouldn't worry about it at all. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend, and get in the game, baby. We're in a really great situation if you have some money and income to put to work in this sector. It is just, there are bargains everywhere. You have to be active now, not after everything rips. Your risk is lower today buying these things than when it's hot and it's picking up and everybody's starting to pile in, and they will. Watch.